All right, now we know a bit about the architecture of the Docker. We'll get into the installing part. Installing is fairly straightforward. You just go to Docker download on your Google and go for your Mac or Windows, whatever system you're using. You simply click. I'm on a Windows, so it's showing for Windows by default. So once you click it, a download installable will be downloaded, which looks something like this. Yeah, this is the one, exe. And when you double click it, it just opens a simple, palette to do a next. Go with the default settings. You don't have to change anything. And this is eventually how the Docker looks like once it is installed. So once it is installed, you go to your CMD command prompt. I already have it open. You simply do something like Docker. This will actually, you're issuing this command to the Docker daemon. So Docker shows that this is how you use it. These are various combinations that you can put along with it. Docker volume, Docker attach, themes. I won't get into all these details for now. If you don't want to do this on your local machine using installation, the best way is to go via the Docker play with lab. So if you remember in my notes, I showed you that play with Docker. Just go to Google, type play with Docker, go to the labs section, install. Just start it on the portal itself from the browser. So that's it. You don't have to install any download anything. You just directly go to this portal and you have your entire Docker environment ready. So you don't have to go via your command prompt either. Just go to this portal and add a new instance. Of course, first time when you will log in, you'll have to create your credentials. That's again is just to give, you have to give your email ID, etc. So you just click add a new instance, and this is your sandbox environment where you can actually run your Docker commands. See, this is the same output that we saw on our local machine as well, right? So these are the two ways you can actually work with Docker. All right, that's all about this section. In the next section, we will be working with the actual images and containers. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.